worst thing just happened to me. So on my other account on TikTok, I talk about social media marketing and all that. And I was asked to speak today at an event. And I said, yes, of course. And so my hair last night, I was like, oh, my hair's not quite ready. Let me wash it, do all the things and all that. So I did that, let it air dry overnight. It's not dry. And then I was like, I'll sit under the dryer for a couple hours this morning. Got all set up, ready to dry my hair. And the dryer went out. Like, it literally went out. I don't have another dryer. I'm new to Houston. I don't know no neighbors to ask to borrow a hair dryer. So I am sitting here like, do I get up and get myself to Target and get a hair dryer, or do I pin my hair up and go like this? What do you think I should do?